out this morning.
It's just pretty darn cold. It's warmed up. When I said it was about 50 at camp, that was a guess. It was 46, and then a little bit ago it was 38. Now it's 40 degrees. We're climbing up the mountain, the Sawtooth.
It's really pretty. But there are still some animals out. I've seen them here too. Huevos Rancheros breakfast stop. That looks pretty legit.
It is really legit. Thank you so much. This is so good.
Whoop, it's too legit to quit. So we just pulled over somewhere just west of Horseshoe Bend, Idaho, and we're heading into Oregon today. Welcome to Oregon! Yay! Home sweet home. Good morning. I get it. It's time to get up. Sheesh. Gotta love Oregon. This is funny. That was a heck of a way to wake up.
Yeah.
The cow screaming at us. Pistol. Good morning. Did you hear the cow screaming at ya? He said, wake up, sleepyhead. We have adventures planned. We drove through Eastern Oregon. We are now in Central Oregon. We are in the Lapine State Park day use area. And Pistol actually has a vet appointment this afternoon.
Of course she does.
Because I think she has a tooth that's bothering her. I brush her teeth a couple times a day, and there's one side she's not letting me at very good right now. So I want them to take a look at that. We'll know more about that this afternoon. But it is lunchtime, and tell us what we're having for lunch, Chef.
We're having a small tri-tip. Actually, I think it's the tip of a tri-tip.
It is very miniature.
We have, for those of you that have been following us for a while, you know we cook some pretty good food in this camp oven. From breads to scones to apple pies, but we have never cooked like a roast or anything inside the camp, in the Coleman camp oven.
So what's your technique for today?
Well, I'm gonna try to reverse sear it. That's how I typically do it. So I'm gonna have to put it in the pan, and then I'm gonna bring it up to 125 in the camp oven, take it out, and then I'm gonna sear it in the cast iron.
We at 125?
We are.
Now we take this bad boy out.
And it'll just set.
Yep. And then you take the oven off, put the cast iron on there, heat it up, and sear away. I will bring out the rest of our meal.
Look at juices, huh?
Yeah, looks really juicy.
What'd you make? What is that?
I made a balsamic vinaigrette for green salad with goat cheese and pecans and dried cherries and gnocchi.
What's gnocchi?
It's not homemade gnocchi. It's store-bought gnocchi. I just tossed it in a pan. It is... I have a sister-in-law, Cindy makes that, but which we've never had at first, but it's potato dumplings.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm talking... Oh, you getting the salt on there. It's a potato situation. That steak is so juicy and flavorful. That is a great way to cook it. Reverse sear.
Cut with a fork.
Yeah.
Mm.
How about that gnocchi? Have you tried it yet?
So what's in it again?
It's like a
It's like a...
potato dumpling thing. I think typically it's made up and then you squeeze it into boiling water.
Oh, I've
and
heard
it
of that.
cooks. Yeah. So this was like pre-made and
Oh,
then
so
I
you-
just sauteed it in a pan.
I like it.
Chewy, kind of a crunchy outside.
Gourmet salad you got here. What's in it? Beets?
We have pickled beets, cucumber, goat cheese, tomato. We have dried cherries, pecans, baby kale, baby spinach, tomato. You name it, we got it. Another great van meal.
Not a bad location. Kind of a mess to clean up.
Yeah, so good. Time to clean up though. And time to clean this puppy up.
Yeah.
She's been rolling in this dirt and her little white feet are now brown. Yeah, good thing we have an outdoor shower, huh? Pistol's all cleaned up and all prettied up for her vet appointment. Maybe
She
they...
don't like that word. That's the three-letter word.
It is. I'm sorry, baby.
It's sad because we can't even go in there with her.
Yeah, so a different procedure now. You just call when you get here and they come out, meet you in the car. Everyone's masked and makes total sense. So, but it is weird we don't get to go in with her.
She's not gonna like this.
No, it'll be all right. Like I said, hopefully I'm just paranoid. Nothing's wrong. I'll let you know. Well, oh, she's so scared. She has to have at least one tooth pulled, possibly two.
She knows
so
where we're at, apparently.
she goes in this morning, and they were able to get her in right away. And they're gonna pull one, and then they have to do an X-ray while we're in there. They're in there and see if the other one needs pulled. So that's what we get to do today. I don't want her to have to go under again, but that's what has to happen, so. All right, we'll keep you updated. She did good. They had to remove 3 teeth, actually. 1 right up front and 2 of her important back molars. They had to go. She was on some pretty heavy meds yesterday. We picked her up.
We haven't slept. Well, mostly Irene hasn't slept. I slept a lot more than she did, but yeah, it was a rough night.
Yeah, she was not feeling well and had a few accidents, and
She's better this morning.
we're at a laundromat.
We'll leave it at that.
It was a rough night. Maybe an hour, maybe 2 of sleep. I've got some coffee this morning, and Yeah, our next stop, the coast.